A temple perched on the edge of a cliff 3,000 metres up in the Himalayas. We're in Bhutan for a Drone and Phone special. Welcome to a Drone and Phone special. I'm here in Bhutan. It's a beautiful day. We're here for a one-off episode. I'm here with Sunam. What are we going to do today?
Okay, first of all, greetings from the base of Perched. So we are going to hike up. That's Perched, which basically means tiger's nest. And this is one of the most visited places in Bhutan.
Okay, one of the most popular places is about a 900-metre climb, about a 3-hour climb to get up there. It's going to be a good old day.
An exciting one.
And an exciting one. Up to the tiger's nest. Let's get going. The Perched, or Tiger's Nest, is a sacred temple complex that dates back to the 17th century. It's a great half-day hike with amazing rock formations, forests, waterfalls, and of course one amazing temple. I'm in Bhutan to train local journalists on a 3-day workshop, and luckily have just enough time to film a Drone and Phone episode. We start the day at the end of the road, about a 20-minute drive outside Paro. You can take a horse halfway up if you don't fancy the full climb, but I have been assured I'll have the support I need to get up there. Do you think I'm going to make it up there?
With us around, you'll be able to.
You're going to have to carry me, I think.
Definitely, no problem. And we have plenty of horses here, so we can summon anyone.
Take me up. Let's get going. So there are two ways up. One is to go on the donkey trail, the other is to go straight up down these shortcuts, which are pretty steep. I've got to say the altitude does pay a bit of a price as you get higher. At the halfway point there's a cafe where you can get full meals and drinks if it's hot, after which there is more climbing to a viewpoint that looks across a valley to the tiger's nest. Well, there it is, the tiger's nest just behind me. We made it up. A lot of little temples and things to explore around here. I'm going to do that next. It's probably taken us about 2 hours to get out here, but I've got to say it is not particularly hard as long as the altitude is not too much for you. Now, I've got to say I did not bring my drone. I'm not sure if they're legal or not here. I wasn't expecting to shoot this, but I've got my DSLR. So this episode, DSLR and a drone. There are strict rules on bringing cameras and phones into the temple, so I have nothing to show you from the inside, but I did get to explore some of the small pagodas and caves that you can find just off the main path. Before going back down, I joined forces with my fellow trainer Glenn to get away from the crowds and up to the highest point above the main temple. I'm going a little off-piste here. No idea if we're going in the right direction. We've had several different people tell us different directions, but we're going to try it. See if we can get to the top. Well, that's the end of this episode. We've reached the summit. We made it in the end. How was it for you, Glenn?
It was really tiring, but really worth the view.
Feeling the altitude a bit?
A lot.
It is one of Bhutan's most popular tourist destinations, but one well worth visiting now. As always, if you like this show, please like and subscribe wherever you watch this. For now, my name's DJ Clark.
I'm Glenn.
And this is Drone and Phone.